Paige West from Electronics Specifier, and I'm here at Southern Manufacturing and Electronics 2025. I've popped by the Nexus Industrial Memory stand to have a chat with David, a sales engineer, about the company. So David, thanks very much for joining us. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us about the company?
Hi, I'm David from Nexus, and we are a family-run company who specializes in industrial and cyber-secure memory solutions.
Excellent, thank you very much. And tell us a bit about why you're here at the show and what sort of products and applications that you're talking about.
Yeah, we are here to meet new customers and demonstrate our new products. We have our product lines Data Key, Flexon, Forme, and the brand new product to launch is our Cobra drive, all with a focus on security and ruggedness.
Excellent. And can I ask what sort of key applications you're talking about this week? I'm guessing AI is quite a popular topic for you at the minute.
Yeah, we have a product that uses AI for threat detections like ransomware, and there is a AI functionality on the firmware implemented to detect data access patterns that are suspicious and lock down the drive in case it might be a ransomware or other harmful attacks.
And can you tell us what makes your solutions and your products so unique compared to other solutions on the market?
Well, we have a focus on these cyber-secure solutions that you cannot find elsewhere, like our X5 product that features this AI chip that detects threats. We also have standard formats like USB sticks and SD cards with unique security features like mutual authentication with the host, encryption, and also features for data integrity like immutable memories worm, we call it, write once, read many, that doesn't allow to change data. So these solutions are very rare and we are a specialist for that.
Brilliant, thank you. And how's the show been for you so far? Has it been successful? It's been quite busy here on day 2.
Yes, we had a slow start in the morning yesterday, but then it picked up quite a lot and we had many inquiries here, and the second day is even more busy.
Great to hear. And finally then, David, if you could sum it up for us in a couple of sentences, what would you say is your overall mission here at the show this week?
Well, we want to bring across the brand name and demonstrate our quality products with unique security features and launch our new Cobra drive. Yeah, that's it.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with me and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.